Evander Holyfield versus Hasim Rahman digelar pada tanggal 20 Juni tahun 2002 di Atlantic City, New Jersey. Adalah sebuah pertarungan yang pada awalnya dijadwalkan sebagai duel penentu menuju gelar juara dunia kelas berat, namun berakhir dengan kontroversi dengan luka mengerikan yang mengguncang tinju dunia. Evander "The Real Deal" Holyfield adalah legenda hidup dengan gaya bertarung agresif dengan kemampuan bertahan yang luar biasa. Ia dikenal sebagai petarung yang kuat, berpengalaman dan tak kenal takut, tapi juga dikenal kontroversial karena gaya bertarungnya yang kerap mengandalkan sundulan kepala. Sebuah teknik yang berulang kali menjadi sorotan dan kritik bagi para pecinta tinju dunia.
Coming in with his head and blasting.
Sementara itu, Hasim "The Rock" Rahman adalah mantan juara dunia yang pernah menjatuhkan Lennox Lewis dengan satu pukulan keras. Dia datang dengan gaya power puncher, dengan eksplosif dan siap membuktikan bahwa dirinya masih layak menjadi salah satu petinju terbaik di kelas berat. Namun dalam pertandingan ini terjadi benturan kepala yang menyebabkan pembengkakan besar di kepala Hasim Rahman. Lalu muncul pertanyaan besar, apakah itu kecelakaan atau bagian dari kebiasaan gelap Holyfield yang sering menyundulkan kepalanya? Selamat datang di Sport TV Channel dan selamat menikmati.
George, does Rock's new sleek 224-pound body mean that he's definitely going to be boxing, moving, and staying outside? It wouldn't.
Ronde 1, Holyfield langsung menekan sejak bel berbunyi. Ia mencoba menguji kekuatan Rahman dengan kombinasi hook ke arah tubuh. Rahman menjaga jarak dengan jab panjang dan mencari momen counter attack.
Holyfield decides to step in constantly. Holyfield has got to make certain that body shot that this guy can hit Rockman.
Holyfield sometimes looked slow and lethargic in his 3 battles with John Reeves. He has so far looked lively and energetic in round 1 here tonight.
Good. That is, make Holyfield step forward.
Stiff left hand by Rahman. 1-2 lands for Holyfield. Rahman came back, working to the body, and Rahman feeling it. Out of 49, both guys had their moments. Both guys threw the jab in the neighborhood.
Ronde 2, Rahman mendaratkan strike kanan yang cukup keras, membuat Holyfield sedikit mundur. Holyfield terlihat mencoba masuk dengan kepala rendah, gaya khasnya yang agresif dan jarak rapat.
Good jab to the body. Rockman's been schooled. Whoa, and the right hand on top.
Likely to get a chance to get a running start on a right hand here the way he did in knocking Lewis out.
No.
Combination by this and Lewis that gave him the chance for the big knockout. Holyfield
didn't like that left hook. That hurt him that time.
Beautiful facility. It's
Ronde ketiga, Rahman mulai aktif menyerang dengan melepaskan kombinasi ke arah kepala Holyfield. Holyfield membalas dengan uppercut di saat clinch, dilanjutkan dengan gerakan dorongan kepala ke arah kiri Rahman. Benturan kepala makin sering terjadi di saat clinch, membuat Rahman kesulitan dan harus berhati-hati terhadap sundulan kepala Holyfield.
They are just big. The feet are big, the heads are big, and when you throw 3 shots at them, you can.
So you're saying Holyfield's size is self-manufactured rather than natural?
But you know, everybody should be manufactured like that by themselves.
Oh, absolutely. Good left inside by Holyfield, digging to the rib cage again. Belly and the liver, nobody is.
They whack you in the liver in football.
Holyfield 18 out of 28 in power punch.
Ronde keempat dan kelima, pada ronde ini Rahman protes kepada wasit karena sundulan kepala Holyfield. Benturan kepala makin sering terjadi hingga ronde-ronde selanjutnya dan membuat Rahman harus lebih berhati-hati terhadap benturan kepala.
me Evander will be big tonight. So Evander's so proud of his ability to roll with punches. He thinks he can roll from anything, but he got nailed with the right hand right there.
There it is again.
Keep him up.
Uppercut lands for Holyfield. Rockman has landed.
Watch your head, gentlemen.
This
Watch
is when
your
Rockman should be fighting. This guy cannot throw 5 shots.
To set up another right cross before the round ends.
This effect, Rahman threaded through.
Rockman's corner to examine what appears to be a nick over Rockman's left eye. You heard the discussion, and apparently Orlando agreeing that the nick must punch. Not sure how he knows, but that seemed to be the determination.
Rockman complained as soon as he was hit back on his jab. Don't worry about the right hand. Let the right hand come to you. So Rockman is successful with his jabs.
Holyfield misses with a roundhouse left.
Watch your head. Come on, keep the head out of there.
In the fight, I want it to be a great fight. I want people to be interested in what I'm doing in there.
He throws 4 punches.
Hard right hand by Rockman. Busted Holyfield on the chin. Evander again showed.
Watch your head. Evander.
You just don't want to take too many of them. Down just a bit. More and more frequently, he throws 1 punch at a time instead of backing up the punch with a combination. There's another big right hand. Another big right hand by the Rock. Evander with his own right hand. Don't count me out yet, he says. CompuBox numbers ending 16.
Ronde ke-6. Pertarungan ketat masih terus berlanjut. Keduanya saling berusaha melemparkan pukulan-pukulan kerasnya. Namun taktik dan gaya Holyfield membuat Rahman kesulitan dan harus berhati-hati terhadap sundulan kepala Holyfield.
Another big left hook upstairs. Rockman not yet punching back. Now the Rock starts to throw.
Whoa!
Rock with a straight right.
Now he doesn't even know. He's not even aware that he's hurting. Rockman, just keep the jab going. He always gets the best of the jabs.
Wait! Step back, step back. Gentlemen, watch your heads.
They trade jabs there, and Holyfield out jabs Rockman 2-1.
Hold it. Come on, step back.
Rockman is good.
Come on, work out. Let's go. Watch your head, Evander. Watch your head.
Over and over and over. Rockman with the 1-2.
All right, Brett,
1-2.
step back. Come on, watch your head.
Jab right cross. 2.
Come on, watch your head.
Jab right cross.
The 10-9.
They both threw right about 40. Holyfield 39, Rockman 4.
Ronde ke-7. Holyfield terus menekan, sementara Rahman mencoba bertahan dengan jab dan counter hook. Di titik ini terjadi benturan kepala keras yang menyebabkan benjolan raksasa muncul di kening kiri Rahman.
Maybe he doesn't want to get hit by that right hand, George.
Pointing out, as he has, that if Foreman is on Rockman's left side, he's
Evidently he has problem moving to his right. Holyfield does.
Let's go.
Doesn't like to do it. And if you move to his left,
ruled a push.
there's that successful left jab.
And there's a big left hook by Holyfield. Stops Rockman in his tracks. Left to the body. Left hook upstairs. Holyfield trying to attack and seal the deal. Rockman comes back.
Now Rockman has got to pour it on. This is his time to pour it on. Look like a big swelling on Rockman's head.
Let him go.
There is a huge knot on Rockman's head above the doctors were getting ready to look at a couple rounds ago, obviously.
Watch your head, man.
That's what came from the bump.
All right.
That's another bump.
Step back. Let him go.
Can you imagine Holyfield has him up against the rope, throwing a lot of shots, and has Holyfield holding on? That's what you want. Make him throw those shots.
All right, break. Come on. Xander, keep that head.
So you think the lump on Rockman's head came from another butt, George?
Yeah, they've been bumping heads all night. And
How distracting is it to Rockman to have something like this?
well, this is his moment of truth. He can't even let anything distract him now. He's got to go for it.
Yeah, he's feeling it. You see him rubbing it with the glove. And Holyfield hits it.
The fighter's eye almost on the forehead. Let's see where they butted. Well, there are two fighters fighting at close quarters, coming in at each other.
There it is, right on the spot.
Holyfield is a rough fighter.
Ronde ke-8.
Dirty fighter.
Benjolan Rahman membesar dengan cepat dan mulai mengganggu penglihatannya. Holyfield tetap menyerang dengan taktik pressure dan clinch dan sambil tetap mengarahkan kepalanya ke arah lawan. Wasit memperhatikan kondisi Rahman, sementara komentator mulai mempertanyakan taktik Holyfield.
Let's keep our eye on it and see if that's true.
Lot of energy in Holyfield. We're in the 8th of a scheduled 12, and the 39-year-old fighter is trying to take the 29-year-old to the woodshed.
Rahman is holding on for dear life.
Yep, the old lion sees a wounded creature in front of him, and that seems to have energized him.
Well, remember, this happened to Rahman in Africa. Lewis thought he had him hurt, played around with him, and he ran into that magic right hand.
But Evander's not just waiting for one big punch the way Lewis did in South Africa.
He's going, he's continuously throwing shots.
And he's not giving Rahman any room to do the things that Rock does best. Jab, throw the right hand. That knot is amazing.
But it doesn't seem to be bothering Rahman.
Yeah, you can feel it on your head. You get those things like that, it irritates you good.
That is one of the most grotesque things I've ever seen on a...
Dr. Ring memeriksa Rahman dan menyatakan bahwa pembengkakan terlalu parah untuk melanjutkan pertandingan. Pertandingan resmi dihentikan dan dinyatakan sebagai technical decision, dan Holyfield dinyatakan sebagai pemenangnya. Sebagian penonton mendukung keputusan dan sebagian mencemooh gaya bertarung Holyfield. Namun kemenangan ini dibayangi oleh kontroversi yang besar. Benjolan sebesar bola tenis di dahi Hasyim Rahman adalah menjadi bukti nyata dari benturan kepala yang telah terjadi, dan itu bukanlah benturan biasa. Beberapa pengamat menyebut Holyfield sebagai ahli benturan yang cerdas, karena sejak dulu dia sering menggunakan sundulan kepala sebagai bagian dari strateginya. Bahkan Mike Tyson pun pernah mengeluhkan hal yang sama dalam pertarungan mereka sebelum terjadi insiden. Data statistik mencatat Holyfield memang pernah beberapa kali memenangkan pertandingan yang diwarnai dengan headbutt atau sundulan kepala, bahkan dianggap berbahaya tetapi legal bagi sebagian juri. Namun kali ini efeknya sangat nyata dan membuat Rahman kehilangan peluangnya dalam karir tinjunya. Pertanyaannya adalah, apakah Holyfield adalah petarung yang tangguh dengan gaya yang agresif, atau petinju yang tahu bagaimana cara melukai lawan tanpa harus dihukum? Silakan Anda sendiri yang menilainya. Salam Sport TV, stay tune and be happy.
Due to an accidental headbutt,